Beneath every layer of fur, feathers, or scales lies a fascinating world waiting to be explored. Animal anatomy studies help us understand how living beings function, survive, and evolve. From the beating heart of a frog to the lungs of a bird, these systems often mirror our own, offering valuable insight into human biology. Through hands-on learning, students develop critical thinking, observation skills, and a deeper respect for life. It's not just about cutting and labeling, it's about discovering the complexity of nature. These lessons shape future scientists, doctors, and vets. Learning through layers reminds us how beautifully connected all life truly is.